Kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu. Amina. Farewell prayer for the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Oh God, our Creator, you are the Father of all goodness. We thank you for the life of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and the many years you gave him. Raila was our Prime Minister, was indeed many things to many people of Kenya, of East Africa, of Africa, and indeed of the world. He dedicated his entire life to the service of the people of Kenya and beyond, and through the works of his, together with the other Kenyans, enabled the Constitution of 2010 and its attendant institution to being enacted. As a leader of opposition party, he participated in many elections despite winning 3 elections in our country and its results being short-changed. Raila would always forgive and moved on. He taught us forgiveness. He accepted the verdict of the Supreme Court, thus teaching us about the importance of belonging to the rule of law, shaking hands with those who were pronounced as presidents. He had the heart of forgiveness. Oh Lord our God, your servant Raila Amolo Odinga put the love of our country first and foremost. He always put his Kenya first. May he always learn from him the management was in his example. And preached peace for our motherland, Kenya at all times, and enabled importance of freedom of speech.